Oh my god, I forgot I wasn't taking a thumbnail, and I'm just like this for the beginning of the video. Hey everybody, it's Bunny, and it is already time for the Lush Kitchen subscription box for the month of September. I almost said for the month of October. Y'all, I cannot believe it. Like, I feel like normally the Lush Kitchen subscription boxes come like more towards the middle or the end of the month, but you guys, this one came in August. This one honestly came in the mail like before I even had time to film, edit, and upload the August Lush Kitchen subscription box. So go figure. Sippy sippy, of course, before we get started. Also, don't forget, if you would like to like follow me around every day, hang out with me every day, do not forget to add me on Snapchat, my daily snap. I post here all the time. So if you kind of want to see what I'm getting up to behind the scenes, don't forget, follow me there. So I said in last month's video, I was going to try and get the bath subscription box and the shower subscription box. Once again, I only have the bath subscription box this month, but I am really hoping that for October, I can get the shower and the bath subscription box. They have two of them now. Although that's what I was wondering is like literally, are there ever any crossover products between the two? Would you never get perfume and stuff in the shower box? I really don't know. I would love to find out. So this month on the little label, it says Marvelous Magic. So is it kind of gonna be like a circus theme maybe? Doesn't this font just like scream Barnum and Bailey to you? Also, oh my God, don't ever look on the bottom of the box like I just accidentally did, because it does seem like every month now they actually show you a little label and they show you like what is going to be in the box. So if you don't want spoilers, y'all, I'm like literally down here like sawing back and forth trying to open this box. It's not going easy for me down here. All right, you guys, let's open it together. I'm hoping this month is gonna top last month, but we did get perfume in last month's box and it is hard to top that. Unless there's a candle in here. Let's find out. Oh, it is! Like, clap for creamy candy, cheer for cherry, scream for Superworld unknown. Oh my God, it smells like popcorn. Y'all, the wafting. Okay, this is what it looks like. It smells so heavily of popcorn right now, like the whole box, popcorn. So we will read all of this in a minute. I am gonna scan the QR code at the very end of the video. You guys, last month there was no how it's made. When we scanned the QR code, I was like a little bit sad about that. I love to personally see Lush products being made. You guys, it is kind of like my dream to make a bath bomb, make a Lush bath bomb. If you guys were at my Lush meet and greet forever ago, I know a lot of y'all got to make bath bombs there. I didn't get to make one. I would like to make one. Okay, this I learned after last month. It also tells you what's in here. So if we need additional information, we will consult this little thing, which by the way, you guys, I know I keep stalling, but oh, there's not one in here. Maybe. Oh, there is. Look, we'll examine this product first because we were just at Lush the other day and you guys, they have a new program now where you can bring these pots back, even the tiny sample ones they said, and it counts towards $1 off your purchase. So if you save it up, you bring 15 little pots back, 15 containers back, you get $15 off your purchase, which I thought that was good. I mean, I don't know why I just like picked 15 exactly, but you get however many pots you bring back, you get that many dollars off. And then you can trade 5 pots still for one of the fresh face masks. But anyway, I forgot to say wishes, so I'll do it now. Here you go, wishes. Okay, I pulled this out first. So let's have a look at it, which I wonder if you can bring the pots back with the stickers taken off, because you guys, I have been junk journaling lately and I started peeling the top labels off to save the stickers in my junk journal because I'm a hoarder. Creamy candy. This is a body lotion. It says step right up for one ticket to instant softness and a sweet cotton candy fragrance. Well, all right. Doesn't this look like candy cane though? Which, by the way, look at my nails, you guys. Look at them. I have saved these for like 10 years, I think. These were some of the original Impress nail designs. And oh, while they're doing all the revival of like the Naked palettes, the Hellraisers, and the everything else, can I petition some of the OG Impress nail designs, please? Thank you. Oh my God. I wish that this was like a perfume. It is a body lotion. I love the lotion. I wish it was a perfume because this smells amazing. This does not just smell like cotton candy to me. It smells like literally if you walk into a big candy store. The only reference point I have for this is if like you go to Main Street at Disney and you like walk into the candy store, it smells like that. It smells like a candy store full of amazing wonder. I love this. I love when things kind of give you like the essence of someplace, you know, instead of just like a single note product where it's like, oh yeah, this smells like banana. All right, I'm digging in to this compartment because you guys, this might be one of those rare things that I'm just not crazy about. I think I saw this down on the list. This is yeah. Oh, what on earth? This is crazy. I swear I just saw on the little thing that this bath bomb is the popcorn thing. It looks like buttery popcorn. When I open the box, I really smell popcorn. Yeah, this is called Pop Art. And I don't see any further information about that, but like it looks like popcorn. Something in this box smells like popcorn. And I generally don't like popcorny kind of scents. It's kind of like, maybe because it makes me think of like, I don't know, a movie theater or something, which it's not like that's like a bad place. So I don't even know, like, you know, it almost has like the essence of like something being swept up off the floor or something. Normally popcorn for me, like when I first opened the box, I was like, that's a lot, you know? It's like if something smelled like cheese pizza. It's not like I don't like the scent of cheese pizza, but like, do I want to bathe in cheese pizza soap and then walk around town smelling like cheese pizza? Probably not. You know, let me know if you would like that experience. Anyway, when I opened the box, smelled popcorn, kind of had a visceral reaction, but now that I put this right under my nose, I do not smell popcorn and something is telling me something's wrong in my brain. I don't know, you guys. I actually like the scent of this. It does have a little bit of a savory, buttery essence, but I don't smell the corn. You know, there's almost like something else in there that's like some other kind of food stuff, like not necessarily blatantly citrusy, but I don't know. We will look at the label on the bottom of the box when we are done and see if we can like get the notes. Anyway, I see that this is a bottle of shower gel and I want to know what it is. Cherry pop. I love cherry scented stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, this says pop the top and lather up with this tangy wash made with cherries that smells just like the real thing. So with cherry pop, I was wondering if it's gonna be like a cherry soda type scent, but it literally is like cola colored, which is so weird. Please let me know. Like on the monitor, it looks green in this bottle. Like I can't really tip it over because I would be spilling. You know what? Let me shove a peanut in here. Yes, look at that. I had a thought. Look at that. The actual product like really has a cola look. Like when I literally look inside the bottle, it looks even more cola. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is like probably one of my favorite body washes of all time. Now it does smell very much like cherry. I am getting a little essence of something else though. Something else that's a little bit sweeter than cherries. Like I don't know if my brain is just filling in the gap. Cherry soda, or if it is actually like a syrupy kind of scent. Like it smells a little bit like artificial cherry, which is funny because it says made with real cherries. But I do also like how they say smells just like the real thing. Wait, isn't that like a Coca-Cola slogan? The real thing? Isn't that? No, I don't know. Is that what they're hinting at? Y'all, the more I talk, the less sense I make. All right, let's see. We're gonna open this one. What is in here? Is this magic? Well, all right. I wonder if this is a bubble bar. Let me consult. Yeah, bubble bar. Kitchen exclusive, a bubble bar. Oh my God. This smells like shockingly floral in a sea of foodstuffs. This is kind of the first thing I smell that I don't think of food, although it has kind of a very rosy scent to it. So it kind of makes me think of people that eat roses. Like, doesn't that exist? But yeah, this is like very, very Floral. I described something last month too as almost like one of those like grandmotherly floral scents, and this is kind of giving that as well. I feel like those things I'm gonna have to like read more on the box for details, but let's see what's the last thing in here. Ooh, it's a body scrub. Superworld Unknown. That sounds very familiar as well. Like as if it was another product at another time. So this says, astonish your senses with the exfoliating magic of castor sugar, softening coconut oil, and a sweet otherworldly scent. And once again, it is really giving candy cane. The label, candy cane, right? I know they went for like circus maybe, or like, you know, like the old timey like popcorn bags that have the red and white stripes on them, but I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know what. Wait, I did read it. Okay, coconut, good to know. Brimming with sparkling cotton candy, lemon sorbet, and gourmand notes. You guys, I do not know. I almost wonder if this is gonna be like the product a million years ago. Do y'all remember the time that we opened the pirate theme box and I pulled out lotion and it was called like Smuggler's Soul or something? And I was like, I think this is the first Lush product that I don't like. However, I subsequently put a little bit of that lotion on, and I'm wondering and hoping if this is gonna kind of be like the same thing, where like I don't really like the scent of it in the pot too much, but I will love it when I use it, because I do love cotton candy. Lemon, like it has a lot of scents listed, like notes that I really do like, but when I'm smelling it just straight out of the pot, to be honest, if I picked this up and smelled this in the store, I would not buy it. But now that I own it, like I'm gonna use it and hope that it is like a Smuggler's Soul experience. Let's see if there's any information on the bottom of the box. Yes, there is. Okay, so back to the popcorn. It says, kitchen exclusive bath bomb. Feast your eyes upon a spectacle of golden swirls that glaze the water's surface while popping candy crackles and a caramel gourmand scent settles onto the skin. Yeah, that is really interesting. I definitely am picking up on like a butter scent, but the more I smell it, the less like popcorn. Magic, that's the other one I did not know anything about. And this says, Magic Kitchen exclusive bubble bar with a sprinkling of sorcery. Turn your bath into a bubbling brew of fragrant violet and geranium. Yeah, with skin softening almond oil. That is interesting, because I feel like almond oil, almond anything, usually has a pretty cherry scent to it, but I don't really pick up on any of that in this product. There's nothing else. There's no more information. So let me just scan really quick and see if it does a how it's made type thing, which honestly, I kind of love QR codes, probably like more than I should, y'all. It's not letting me scan this. Hello, thank you. Why? That's crazy. Okay, let's see. No, this is so wild. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so many questions were just answered because they said, which box do you get? They once again don't have the dang video, my gosh. But then when you click through, they show Magic Kitchen exclusive bubble bar or not your average bubble bar. So maybe that's the one for the shower. Then they show pop art, and then they show creamy candy, and then they show cherry pop, then they show Superworld Unknown, Milky bar. I guess the shower box got a soap. I would have loved to get that. And then shape-shifting slime, kitchen exclusive blue shower slime. Oh my God. Look, and that looks like a powder that turns into a slime. Maybe I'm like missing out by not getting the shower box. So that kind of answers my question though. It seems like some of the products are shared in between the two boxes, and some of the products you would just get in the bath box or in the shower box. Once again, fingers crossed that by October, I will be able to have these shower and the bath box. But yes, let me know what you guys think about this month's box, this month's scents. I am gonna say that this product and this product are my twoper favorites. You guys, linguistic nerve. My two top favorites. Then I would probably put, oddly enough, the popcorn thing, then the magic bar, and then for right now, I'll have to give you guys an update though, like I am giving you now on the Smuggler lotion, because I ended up actually really liking that product, so I'm hoping the same thing happens for this product. product. Anyway, you guys, let me know, as always, all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!